just for a debug session via m65dbg. One issue was into why Silent Enigma demo was failing to load the special ROM. IntroDisk. Oh, not in this one, sorry. Silent. Yeah, in the title I had added this extra ROM notation after the boot name. Yeah, I remember it was choking on that for some reason. But yeah, to debug what's going on there, yeah, let's jump into m65dbg, connect it to running. Sorry for all the dumping all this calypsi label stuff. I'll clean that up later. But yeah, if I now do, let's say, a disassemble dis, I see where it's stalled now, some hippo error. So one thing I could do, let's say, is do a break on that hippo error loop here. Maybe if I reset it now and turn the CPU back on, unpause it. Oh, okay, so let's just mount the intro 4 again and that up again. So let's do the same thing, return, go down to demo, then return, let it go to running trace paused up here, wait pause, disassemble here. So now that one thing Zemu option has that isn't on hardware is this minus and equals. So minus can help us go backwards, so we can go back. So I'm doing enter key doing the last command minus again and again. Went into this hippo error and got to ROM not loaded, and for whatever reason here we are. There was some sort of issue with loading the ROM. To go into this funny break thing at that point. Sort of keep working my way through that. There's still some history where the break thing went away. To your code. Here we go. So loading the ROM file, and yeah, I was looking at the ROM file thing. Loading here. Maybe the issue was when I look at if I look at a dump of what ROM file name was, this one over here, that's sort of grabbing one by one. Maybe my mistake here was it's pointing to the full, the full text of that earlier thing we saw. Yeah, it's pointing to right there, I guess, and I should be pointing it there. Okay, so maybe I can repair that. So I'll quit this, go back into the IntroDisk code, just kill Zemu now. And I guess it's somewhere inside. Which code was this? This is a program ASM. Okay, program ASM stuff line 305, which is mentioned there. So if I go to 305, right place, my eyes are lying to me. Or maybe this is the line 305 in the C list file. Okay, no worries. We'll go via the comment perhaps. Copy ROM file name to bank 0. This one. So maybe it's setting of what this file name is. Ah, but this was copied. I feel like this was copied across in the other file. Let's see. I think ROM file name got a mention here as well. Yeah, passing of the custom ROM. This was a function I added. It's peaking. Maybe I should be stepping through this and seeing what's going on. Right, let's see if I can do that. Pass custom ROM. Save me the mental load. So I should make run again. Run that thing. Connect up again. Break on pass custom ROM. return. Oh, go back, sorry, to demo. Silent Enigma demo. Press return. I guess we've stalled on pass custom ROM. This will probably be a bit more ugly because it's a mix of well, C and assembly. Custom ROM. God, isn't it? What is A equal to now? To 52, the cat letter R. Alright, okay. So checking 45. What's the value 45? Compare with 0 place plus 4. Poke ROM file name plus count. Yes, X is the count. Cipher this stuff. Okay, X is going to be 0. And X something in whatever the value A is. A is already equaling R for ROM. So where did we read A from? Increase the scope. I might have to loaded it from 0 page. Stored it in +4. Oh yeah, okay, that's like what C equals the L peak thing. Let's put it in this location. So the mistake is then the address. So, okay, I feel like the address we start peaking from is the wrong thing. Going back to source code. This one, yeah, source. This was program. No, this was the C code. Pass custom. We feed it the address here. Maybe we're not feeding the right address. We're feeding pass custom ROM char second char address, which is where the R is. Maybe that needs to be +1 to the O to the M, 3 to the hyphen, and 4 to where the actual ROM name starts. Okay, so if then I've got that sorted, if I go to make run again, it should rebuild that stuff. Hopefully, if I which one is it? Demo, Silent Enigma demo. Maybe as an assessment, I can do it at that break. Where were we before? Pass custom ROM. Yeah, okay, yeah, I don't mind breaking on pass custom ROM. So, yeah. Make pass custom ROM. Okay. So let's run this. Return. Going back to where is it? Disassemble. Here. And let's go down in the backtrace. Scope 20. I can see. Well, actually, I don't need to do pass custom ROM. How about I just soft continue to 3442. Okay, and then I do a dump of what ROM file name is now. Now perfect. It's 99999 bin. That's what I want. So if we carry on now, I'll just go back smaller. T0. All right. Oh, but that doesn't look good. The program name. Okay, that's screwed up. So it's done. Hasn't carried on. There's another mistake there. Maybe where would the source be? Pass custom ROM. I think that's correct now, but maybe we were meant to move one. What is returned from this is added to the address offset. Okay. This wasn't a where? Custom ROM. Get fed this address. And the address is incremented. Oh, what okay. Alright. The count is how many times this thing loops over. I think it's sufficient. Because this has started. Oh, yeah. I've skipped over 4 here. I think we also have to skip over 4 here. I guess. I'll still like that for now. Dirty, yeah. It is. Okay, maybe it makes sense there. 1, 2, 3. If I skip over 4, we'll get to boot perfect. Okay, make run. Okay, return. Oh, no mistake. Go to demo. Start legal demo. Let's go back again here. Break. Oops. I'll do Control R. Break on the last custom ROM thing. Continue. Disassembled there. I'll go down. Dump ROM file name now. It's that. So after we go to soft continue to the 3442 when it finishes. I do dump from file name now. We got that 999 bin now. That's good, and I'll just do T0 to continue here. Coming back to here. Oh, I hit another breakpoint it seems, so I just remove somewhere else funny. Alright, so if I play a demo, hopefully I won't complain about the ROM. Maybe if I do a dump of around the bank 2 stuff. See now version 999. Okay, that's good. That's the one I want. So yeah, it should just complain about ZMU and not complain about the ROM. Perfect. Okay, it's working. Now running the custom ROM. This will be good for Snoopy stuff as well. Okay, just make sure it says it should be. It's okay. Bit funny speed wise, but maybe that's just because I'm recording. I've got a slow laptop. It's good. Alright, press on.